5 people I know are quietly out earning their day jobs, and not one of them is a software engineer. Their secret is the same tool, Claude. In the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact setup for 5 Claude side hustles, what each one realistically pays, and how you could start this week. No hype, no fake screenshots of overnight riches, just the blueprints. Here's the thing most AI hustle videos get wrong. They sell you a dream and skip the part where you actually do the work. So I went the other way. For each of these 5, I'll show you the real Claude workflow, who it's a fit for, and an honest pay range based on what this kind of work actually goes for. Stick around to number 5 because it's the one with no income ceiling at all. Let's get into it. Quick context on why this is even possible right now, because the timing is the real opportunity. A year ago, building software or automations meant you had to know how to code. Claude changed that. With Claude Code, you can build real tools just by describing them in plain English. With Claude's API, you can drop intelligence into almost any app. And every business owner already knows they're behind on AI still, and they will happily pay someone to help them catch up. You are early, and being early is the entire advantage. Okay, hustle number 1. Number 1, AI Automation Freelancing. This is the highest ceiling hustle on the list, and demand is exploding. Every small business is drowning in repetitive work, sorting invoices, chasing leads, copying data between apps, writing the same reports every week. You use Claude Code to build little agents that do that work automatically, and you charge the business to set it up. You don't need a computer science degree. You describe the task to Claude in plain English, it writes the automation, and you review and test what it builds before it goes live. Then you package that into a service. Start with one painfully boring task, like turning a folder of receipts into a clean spreadsheet and build out from there. A realistic range for this kind of work is $500 to $5,000 per project, and the businesses that like it keep coming back. Number 2, content and newsletter ghostwriting. Founders and creators all need to publish constantly, and almost none of them have time. With Claude as your writing engine, you can produce newsletters, LinkedIn posts, and email sequences in a fraction of the time it used to take. The trick is that you are not just hitting generate and sending slop. You feed Claude the client's voice, their past posts, their goal for each piece, and you edit the output so it actually sounds human. Be upfront that you use AI because that editing pass is the thing they're actually paying for. You are selling judgment and consistency, with Claude doing the heavy lifting. Monthly retainers for this kind of work commonly land between $500 and $3,000 per client, and proven writers charge well above that. Best of all, you can run several at once. Number 3, selling digital products. Instead of trading hours for money, you build something once and sell it over and over. With Claude, you can create the product fast and you have more places to sell it than ever. Gumroad, Payhip, and Lemon Squeezy for instant downloads. Etsy for templates. Notion's own marketplace. Or just your own simple website. Be specific, because generic prompt packs are a race to the bottom. Pick one audience and one pain, then pick the format that fits. It could be a prompt pack, a set of Claude skills, a Notion template, a spreadsheet tool, an ebook, or a mini course. Use Claude itself to help you build it, name it, and write the sales page. Just know this is not passive income. You build it once, but then you have to keep marketing it. The upside is that once it sells, your income stops being tied to your hours. Number 4, AI chatbots for local businesses. Plumbers, restaurants, salons, gyms, auto shops. They lose money every time a customer messages after hours and gets silence. You set up a Claude-powered assistant that answers common questions, books jobs, and captures leads on their website around the clock. Start with these simple trades and steer clear of regulated ones like clinics and law firms until you know what you're doing. This one is beautiful because of the recurring revenue. You charge a setup fee to build and connect the assistant, then a monthly fee to host and maintain it. A common starter shape is around $500 to set up, plus $1 to $300 a month per client. Land 10 local businesses, and that monthly recurring income alone starts to rival a salary. Number 5, the one with no ceiling, building and selling your own micro apps. These are small, focused web tools that solve one specific problem, and people pay a small monthly fee to use them. A year ago, you would have needed a developer for this. Now, you can describe the app to Claude Code in plain English, and it builds the working software for you. Here's the play. Find one annoying task that a specific group of people does over and over. Then build the simplest possible tool that fixes it. Charge a low monthly price, like $5 or $10, and you only need a few hundred users to replace a salary. Most micro apps make nothing. So the winners are the ones who ship fast, listen to their early users, and keep improving. It starts slow and it compounds. And unlike a client project, you actually own it. Now, you might be thinking, isn't everyone doing this already? And won't AI just take these jobs too? Here's the honest answer. AI lowers the floor, so yes, more people can start than ever before. But it raises the ceiling for anyone who pairs it with taste, trust, and follow through. The tools themselves are becoming commodities. You, picking a specific niche and actually delivering a result, are not. That gap between someone who has the tool and someone who gets the outcome is exactly what you get paid for. Now, the honest part, because I promised you no hype. None of these are get rich quick. The fastest money is freelancing and chatbots because you get paid the moment you deliver. The biggest long term upside is digital products and your own micro apps because they keep paying after the work is done. Pick based on whether you need cash now or freedom later. And pick one. The people who actually beat their salary are not the ones who tried all five. They are the ones who went deep on a single one. Before you click away, here is your first 7 days because a plan you never start is worthless. Day 1. Pick exactly one of these 5. Just one. Day 2 and 3. Do it for free for a single person, a friend, a local shop, anyone, purely to get one real result. Day 4 and 5. Screenshot that result and turn it into a simple offer. Day 6 and 7. Tell 10 people that the offer exists. That's the whole plan. One hustle, one result, one offer, 10 conversations. That will move you further than watching another 10 videos like this one. If this gave you a plan, do me a favor and subscribe here on YouTube and follow Hyperautomation Labs on Facebook and Instagram so the next one finds you. I put the exact starter setups and the prompts for all 5 hustles into a free kit. Just comment the word hustle below and I'll send it straight to you. And if you want to go deeper, my beginner guides are linked in the description. Now go pick your one. I'll see you in the next one.